Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Kali Linux on your Android device. The only requirement is that you have at least 30 GB of free storage and your Android phone should be at least 3 GB RAM. Now let's proceed. Download Termux, Andronix and RealVNC viewer. I'll provide these links in the video description. Now let's open Termux. Run the first command termux-setup-storage. This is going to grant us access to our Android device storage. Now allow. The next thing we're going to do is change the repository by typing in termux-change-repo. Hit enter. Now hit enter to select main repository and then scroll down to Mirrors by Albatross and then hit enter. Now run pkg update to update the package. When this is running, if you get any prompt, just select Y for yes and then hit enter. And then also run pkg upgrade. Now let's open Andronix. Now select Linux distribution right there and then scroll down and you should find Kali Linux down there. Click on Kali Linux and then select desktop environment, and we are using XFCE desktop environment. Click on it and it should automatically copy a command which we're going to use in Termux. So let's head back to Termux and then paste the command and then hit enter. Now if you get any prompt while this is running, just enter Y for yes and then continue. Now hit enter to install the package. Select your keyboard layout and hit enter to proceed, and it should start installing. After the installation, you should get a screen like this. Now enter a password and then also verify the password. This is the password we're going to use to log into our machine. Set N for no view time password. And you can see welcome to Andronix, and we are done. Now type in VNC server to start our machine. Hit enter and you should see a port number which you're going to use to log in. So just look up there and you should find port number. In my case, this is 5902. So take note of the port number, and we can close Termux and head to RealVNC viewer. Next. Now click on the plus icon to add a new connection. The address is localhost and then colon. Then you add your port number. In my case, it is 5902. And then for the name, you can put whatever you want. I'm just going to call it Kali Linux. Create. Now click on connect. Click on OK. And then enter your password. And then continue. And that's all. Basically, we can now use Kali Linux to do whatever we want. So basically, this is how to install Kali Linux on your Android device. If this video was helpful, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notification. So if you want to stop this from running, simply head back to Termux and then type in the command exit. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.